Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel, and in this tutorial I'll be showing guys how to remove text using Photoshop. If you are just coming across my channel for the first time, you're welcome, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop another wonderful tutorial. Without any further delay, let's dive into the tutorial. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove these old text on this image. So we're going to drag and duplicate, or better still, just press Ctrl J on your keyboard, then select on the lasso tool. Then we're going to select around the text like this. Going to select around the text. So after selecting, we're going to click on select, then select color range. Then on top we're going to select shadow. After selecting shadow, we're going to click on OK. So after clicking on OK, we'll go to select again, then go down to modify and then expand. We'll set it to 2, then click on OK. Then after doing that, go to edit, then click on fill. So we're going to click on content aware. Remember that. Then click on preserve transparency, and then we click on OK. Then wait for Photoshop to do the magic. You can see the text already out, already disappeared. Then to remove the selection, just on your keyboard press Ctrl D to deselect. You can see how the text has been removed. So that's it on how to remove text using Photoshop. If you learned one or two things from this tutorial, why don't you give this video a thumbs up? And if you are just coming across this video for the first time, my channel for the first time, hit the subscribe button down there and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop wonderful tutorial like this. See you in my next tutorial.